After the Fed press conference, Jay Powell maintaining the idea that we're going to get 3 rate cuts, saying he's not so worried about inflation. Are investors just even more bullish than they ever have been?
It sure seems like that, right? With these, simultaneous records that we saw in the major indexes. And just zooming out a little bit, when I talk with investors, when I look at positioning across a range of assets, what you're seeing is people really embracing this rally, embracing what Powell said about, higher economic growth this year, lower inflation in the future, less of a risk of higher unemployment. We're seeing that across the futures market, the derivatives market, the stock market, of course, where futures positioning across the S&P 500, the NASDAQ shows that asset managers haven't been this bullish since 2019. Net bullish positions are hovering around some of the highest levels in years.
All right, so Jeff, I'm going to come over to you. A lot of bullishness in the market, but I think the question a lot of people are trying to figure out is, do you want to play the broadening of the market? We mentioned earlier in the show, 80 S&P 500 companies hitting a 52 or all-time high, or do you want to get back to that tech trade? Does that have more room to run?
Well, I think it's fascinating, Frank, and I do agree there's a bullish sentiment. I'm cautiously optimistic. However, I think the input into the recent bullishness, let's think for just 1 second. When we saw the S&P 500 go up to 4,800, it took nearly 2 years to go from 4,800 in the S&P 500 up to 4,900. Now we've seen the S&P 500 go from 4,900 above 5,200. It looks like it's going to trade 5,300 today in about 50 trading days. So I think the bullishness that's being expressed right now is more chasing. You're seeing nearly $7 trillion in cash chasing this market higher. And with Fed Chairman Powell green-lighting the marketplace, we are seeing a little bit of March Madness. So I take a little bit of pause here with the S&P 500 at new all-time highs and the VIX at 13. So I think you have to be cautious here, but cautiously optimistic. But remember, Frank, we do not see markets move straight higher, and that's what we've seen since November.
That is what we've seen since November, and we've also seen that in the chips market. So natural segue over to Micron. Much better than expected earnings, profitable when the street was expecting a loss. What are these results from Micron? What does that say to you about not only this company, but also about the chip sector in general, and again, this AI trade?
Yeah, I think Micron, and I know you read my CNBC Pro article being bullish on Micron last Friday, Frank, prior to the earnings. But what's interesting about Micron, anything AI is seeing high tide lifts all boats. And what you're seeing with Micron at a new all-time high, looking to move even higher, is due to the fact it's 1/10 the size of NVIDIA, but still it's in the semiconductor space. It's essential to this whole AI theme, which we've embraced as investors, not just in 2023, but again in 2024. So Micron has the ability, and I actually have a target of $120, which is not much higher from where it is after a big nearly 20% pop on earnings.
All right, so Gunjan, I want to talk to you. Chips are a very cyclical business. The SMH ETF, one that we watch pretty closely when we're talking chips, trading very close to its all-time high. What do you make of just all this enthusiasm when it comes to chips?
This enthusiasm, it's been crazy. I think there's a lot of FOMO driving this. The AI trade has been taking over the market. You can see that in the options market. You can see that in the stocks market.
Is it getting frothy? Is it getting toppy? I mean, all these different words that we use. What do you make of this?
Well, it's interesting because I think everyone keeps wondering, when is this going to fall out? But then take a look at Micron earnings, right? They had a huge beat. The shares were soaring after hours. And it's been a really big week for the chip trade, for the semiconductor trade, for the AI trade overall. And these companies are delivering, including NVIDIA at its conference this week, where they unveiled this new technology. And expectations were high leading into that. I think it's really tough to say, when is this going to top out? And I think that's what's driving a lot of this chasing and this FOMO in the AI trade, which we are seeing.